We're here in Boston getting on board our Holland America ship. There it is, ported. This is the parking area. We walked from the bus station to get here. It wasn't bad. Pretty much a straight shot from the bus station to the ship. Very easy when we're going to be going to the terminal and getting on board. So we're leaving the parking lot area and heading for the terminal. You can see the cruise ship there. Their terminal is mainly an open air building. You can see where it's open on the sides there. It wasn't too busy when we arrived there. There's the lady that was helping check us in. These are the seats where you wait to board after you go to the counters to check in. We didn't have to wait very long, and then they called our number and we went on almost immediately. Here's the gangway. We're walking along, taking a look at the ship for the first time, getting to see it up close. And then we got to the end of the gangway and boarded the ship. All right, and here we are. Welcome on board. We're officially on the Volendam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we're just going past the elevators and going into the atrium here. And here's a little light that they have in the middle and a staircase, and this is how you can get up to some of the upper decks on these nice little staircases. We came up the stairs, and at the top of the stairs is the photo gallery and then guest services right here. So let's wander around and see what else we can find. Oh, here's a cute little lion and plushies and stuff. This is at one of the shops.
This is the Holland America stuff.
And then it looks like there's some more photo. And we're walking past the fancy Pinnacle dining room. The lights and the fancy tables. Fancy schmancy stuff here. Ooh, these are all the places that the Volendam has been. So they got a creepy mask and other cool stuff, and whoa, it's on both sides of the hallway. Look at this stuff, it's everywhere.
They've got a lot of them.
When you've been on a ship that's been around a while, you've been a lot of places, right? So now we're on deck 5, and ooh, and here's the Explorations Cafe. And there's a fancy sculpture dress. That's crazy. Oh, and here's games. You can play some chess while you get some coffees. They got a little coffee bar here. This is a nice little area. Nice little area you can sit. Oh, very nice. Thank you. Oh, and here's the dining room. This is the main dining room. This is where you can get some yummy stuff to eat. Here's a little bit of their menu. We'll be taking a look at this again when we come to get some food. Let's go take a look at what it looks like. Oh, that's a very nice entrance. They got a mirror up there, some architecture. Very nice. Oh, there's 2 levels to it, I see. Here's the top level. This is perfect because we can look down at the lower level, kind of get a layout. Their nice little dining area. They serve some really good food here. I'm looking forward to having it later on.
We're pleased to announce that all staterooms are now ready. If you're feeling a little peckish, know that Lido on deck 8, Lido Marketplace is open and lunch is being served as we speak. So enjoy there, and again, all staterooms are now ready. Thank you, everyone. And again, welcome aboard Volendam.
So that was the welcome aboard. We just got on board and the rooms are already ready. It's 11:30. And that's about when they called out for the rooms to be ready. So we're going to go drop off our luggage. We're here exploring, I believe we're on deck 5. And this looks like the piano bar. And we're going to head to our room, drop off our luggage, and explore more. But you got to hear the welcome on board. The rooms are ready, and see a little bit of deck 5. All right, next stop is our room. So the card is right here. We're in room 1931. Gonna put the card in the door, and now here we are. So let's put on some lights and see our cabin here. Ooh, very nice. So there's the bed all made up with some fancy pillows. We got a little couch right here to sit on. You got a little table on each side of the bed. Here's a little kind of place where you can get your makeup going on, and a mirror. Of course, they got a TV. So before we go and look at the bathroom, let's take a look at all the storage area. You got closet here. You've got drawers right here. So much space. Ooh, there's the hair dryer and that top drawer. A little vanity mirror. You got storage under this little footrest right here that pulls out so you can sit down. We got more closets over here, open. Kind of dark right here with the, there we go, it's a little better. So anyways, there's you got hangers down there, and more hangers here, and you got, is this even more storage? Oh my goodness, it's like everywhere. There's closets on this entire wall. How much storage do you need? It's crazy.
They do long voyages, like sometimes 35 days and stuff. So maybe for that you need all this closet space.
Yeah, we're just on a short little cruise. We don't need all this stuff, but anyways, it's good to know it's here if you need it. All right, so here's a little bathroom right here. It's cute. There's a little sink. Of course, you got the mirror. There's where you can do your business, and a little stand-up shower with the conditioner, shampoo, and body wash all right here. So welcome aboard. Here we are on deck 8, the Lido deck, and this is where the buffet is. Lido Market is the name of the buffet. Let's take a look at what they got. Ooh, there's some yummy breads. Look at all that, focaccia and rolls and stuff. Ooh, some sandwiches. We got roasted chicken, a veggie sandwich, romesco, plain baguette. This stuff looks fantastic. So we came out from the buffet, the Lido restaurant market there, and we're out on the back of the ship, and here they got a nice little pool, and they got a bar, and we're having some drinks while we're looking out over the ocean, enjoying the views. And my wife got a Bahama Mama.
It has 15
I got a Long Island iced tea.
So here we are on Holland America, the Volendam, and we're at the sail away party, and it's more happening than on other ships. These old people, they know how to party. They were line dancing and doing all this, and here we are, moving on out.
We got some people coming around with different types of appetizers. For example, here's one Tammy's eating.
It's balsamic and cheese and a fig.
Yeah, fig and balsamic and cheese. That looks great. And they got a bar back here. This is back on the back of the ship. So we're having a good time getting ready to sail away.